All right, here we go. Let's do example number 2 now. Same directions here as the last problem. So we're gonna find sine of 2 theta, cosine of 2 theta, and tangent of 2 theta. So basically our double angle formulas. Given this information. All right, so it seems that we're in the first quadrant. Okay, so since we're in the first quadrant, we can create our little triangle here. So look something like this, and bring this guy down right here. All right, so it's our right angle, and we're gonna call this U. Again, you can call it U or V or whatever it is. Actually, I think I'm gonna call it theta. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna call it theta right here. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in what we know. We know that the sine of U is 3 over 5, so 3 over 5. And using Pythagorean theorem, or knowing that this is one of our famous triples, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so that must be 4. Okay, well, let's find all of these then. If I want to find sine of 2 theta, well, that means I have to do 2 sine theta times cosine theta. Well, 2 times sine is 3 over 5, so that's 3 over 5 times cosine theta. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so times 4 over 5. And doing all that mumbo jumbo, you get 24 over 25. Shabam. Let's find the cosine. Oops. Let's find the cosine of 2 theta. And I'm going to do it different than what I did last example. I'm going to use my Pythagorean. I'm going to go ahead and use cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta, just because it looks really cool and fun. But you could have used the other one like we did last time, using our 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 times sine squared. It doesn't matter, right? We're going to get the same answer. So cosine squared, cosine again is 4 over 5, so it's going to be 4 over 5 squared. So that's 4 over 5 squared minus sine squared. Sine is 3 over 5, so it's 3 over 5 squared. Cool, we're doing all that. That's 16 over 25 and all that, so we'll get 7/25. Cool beans. This isn't too bad, right? We just create the triangle, plug them in, got it like it's cool. Last but not least, tangent of 2 theta. So we're going to do 2 times tangent theta all over 1 minus tangent squared theta. So 2 times my tangent, opposite over adjacent. So that's times 3/4 all over 1 minus tangent, again 3/4 squared. So doing all that mumbo jumbo, you get 24/7. Now I'm doing the calculation rather quickly with my calculator, and I strongly suggest that you actually punch this in and make sure that you are deriving this, and that will tell whether or not you are understanding how to properly input these values. Okay, because on the exam, I'll look at your work, so you get most of the credit, but you'll get the -1 point or so off of your answer for not being able to properly handle your calculator. So I'm doing these rather quickly, but I strongly suggest that you actually make sure that you're driving the same answers by punching them in, and also doing the same thing on your homework.